In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this cross-stitch pattern in Procreate based on the ornament base we created in the previous video. You can see snippets of it on the screen now. If you want to watch it first, the link is in the description. You can grab your copy of the ornament and the color palette by following the link in the description as well. Let me start with an important note on how the cross-stitch brushes are constructed. By default, the shape follows the stroke. It's useful for freehand ornament drawing, which is the main focus of the art box, but the problem is if we try to tap with this brush, you can see that some unexpected results may happen and it's not what we want. So we should go to the brush studio, go to shape, set rotation to 0, and we should do it for both brushes, then tap done. Now the crosses don't follow the stroke, which is exactly what we need for the classic cross stitching. Now we've constructed our base using the 20% grain scale grid brush, and we will use small cross number 4 for stitching, so the right size for the brush will be 50% according to the guide. As we now know the brush we'll use on the right size, let's stitch. We'll start with the leaves, and they will be green, so we have to load our first color pair. Looks good. These flowers are symmetrical, so we should go to the drawing guide, edit drawing guide, symmetry, options, set horizontal as active, and tap done. With the drawing assist active on the current layer, start stitching. We will draw 2 flowers simultaneously, which will speed up our process. Now just carefully tap all the stitches. Adding more leaves, adding stem. Okay, looks good. Now we are ready to move to the flowers. They will be red on a new layer, drawing assist on, set red colors, lighter as active, and start stitching. Looks good. Now we'll add flower heads. Again, new layer, drawing assist, set yellow colors, and tap. And we have 2 flowers ready. Now on a new layer, drawing assist on, and we need to change the drawing guide symmetry type to vertical one, so it will be easier for us to draw. Set the green colors again, and let's start drawing. If you make a mistake, just undo and redraw it again. Okay. Now new layer, drawing assist on, pick red colors, and we'll draw these cute little flowers by simply tapping our crosses on the canvas. New layer, drawing assist on, and with yellow we will draw the flower center. Okay, looks good. For the remaining flowering motifs, we need to change the symmetry type again. So tap on the drawing guide options and pick the quadrant. Let's check it works. Perfect. For these flower stems and leaves, we'll use the brownish color. Okay, and just start tapping. Here we go. Here we are. For the flowers, create new layer, drawing assist on, pick blue colors, and start stitching. Now, pick the yellow color pair and on the new layer, draw flower center. On a new layer, with red color pair, we'll draw the remaining part of the central flower. I have to keep everything on separate layers in case I need to change colors later. Now let's group everything together. Duplicate this group, flatten it, and set to multiply. Get the adjustments and lower the brightness a bit. Now turn off the guides, go to Gaussian blur and blur our shadow layer a bit, around 3%. And we're done. Congratulations!